Hi there, Nancy Reeves here, your fundraising coach. Inside our group coaching calls, the details of writing a year-end solicitation letter that gets a response has been an ongoing conversation this past month. So I put together a sample solicitation letter inspired from a letter I received years ago. It's one of my favorite solicitation letters. It is so powerful. In the link here, I not only share an ideal year-end ask letter, but I provide 8 points to use as a checklist to make sure you are writing the best solicitation letter ever. Here's an example of one of the 8 points. It's the number 1 in my book. Listen to this. The most effective aspect of a great solicitation letter is to always start with a story immediately, not a story buried in the middle of your letter, but at the beginning. Telling a story is one of the most effective ways to get your donor's attention and get your message across. A story reconnects the donor to your cause and reminds them why they connected with the mission in the first place. When you give details in your story, you often take them back to a scene they know so well or a cause they believe strongly in fighting for. So check out the 8-point checklist I created to make sure you have a compelling year-end solicitation letter. Just click the link here.